Now there are beach ki timings which we have not discussed. Beach ki timings means, let's say 5:1, 5:2, 5:3, 5:4. Yeah, these we have not discussed. So the basic rule in German says, when it comes to official timing, that never be exact when it comes to timing. In official, we can be exact. It is 5:1, 5:2, 5:3, 5:4. But then when it comes to unofficial timing, never ever be exact. Yeah. So how do we say the timing if we don't have to be exact? This is the question. For example, if it is 5:1, so there are some words which will help us to be, or which will help us to tell the timing without being exact. Yeah, so let's see which are those words. So they are Kurs 4, Kurs nach. Kurs 4, Kurs nach. Kurs means a little before. Kurs nach, a little after. So if the timing is 5:1, so what can be the way to tell it? So you can say es ist Kurs nach 5. Kurs nach 5 shows that you have given the timing, and the jo bhi time sunega, he or she would get the idea that 5:00 kuch minute hue hain. There is something, a minute, like something, maybe 1, 2, 3. There is no guarantee. It can be anything. It means a few minutes have passed after 5. So for all these, you can use same. Es ist Kurs nach 5, es ist Kurs nach 5, es ist Kurs nach 5, es ist Kurs nach 5. By the time it gets 5, then tell es ist 5 nach 5. After 5, let's come to 5.6. 5:00, like 5 o'clock, 6 minutes. Again, you can simply say es ist Kurs nach 5. Same answer. Kurs nach 5. Another way, this can continue till 5:10. When 5:10 will be there, you can say 10 nach 5. Okay, I'm changing the word 5 because I'm not getting the umlaut, so I'm making it 6. Yeah, 6:10. So you can say 10 nach 6. So this can continue. This Kurs 4, Kurs nach can continue from 5:1 till 5:10. 6:10. Yes, Anna?
For 5:6, should it be SS Kurs nach 5? Like, I mean, a little bit after 5:5.
If you want to say it like that, this will little bit confusion, it will be there. You are right. You can say it is little bit after 5:5. But then, Sana, I told you, like, nobody gets so much, exact with the informal timing. Even if you say it is Kurs nach 5, then people would understand that somehow it is like be off from 5 or 10, 5:1 say, it will be somehow between 5:5 ke beach or 5:10 ke beach. When you will be habituated, then there are some other ways to tell that 5:6, 5:7 will tell you later on. But right now, just keep it Kurs nach 5. Yeah. When it will go beyond 10, then you cannot say Kurs nach 5. Then you have to choose another thing. Then you would tell that it is a few minutes before 6:15. So how would you tell this? A few minutes before 6:15? A few minutes before 6:15? Yeah, Ashwin?
Kurs nach Viertel.
If you say Kurs nach Viertel, it would be, yeah, Kurs 4. Very good. Kurs 4.
Viertel nach 6.
Very good. Viertel nach 6. So when the timing is 6:11, so you can say that it is just like, if you say Kurs 4 Viertel nach 6, the people would understand it is not yet 6:15, but it is about to be 6:15 in some moments or in some time. So from 6:11 to 6:14, you have to keep the same timing as Kurs 4 Viertel nach 6. This is tricky. Kurs 4 viertel nach 6. If you think that you are unable to remember this, then the easiest way, 6:15 abhi hue nahi hai, it's about to become 6:15, then say the easier version, which is fast viertel nach 6. Fast viertel nach 6. This means almost 6:15. So if you are unable to understand, if you are unable to keep this in mind, Kurs 4 viertel nach 6, remember this one. Fast viertel nach 6. Fast means almost. Yeah. So you can use it here also. For example, if it is 6:09, if it is 6:09, then you can simply say 6:09 is the time. Then you can simply say S is fast 10 nach 6. Fast 10 nach 6 means it is almost 6:10. So this is how you play with for informal time. So what do you think from 5:1 to 6:20? Is it clear? Only 6:20. I'm not describing the last 10 minutes right now. Just from 5:1 to 6:20. Let's 6:1 to 6:20. Is it clear? What do you think? Clear means I'm not saying that you are almost versed with it, but then it should be like when I ask you, you should be able to give me the timing. For example, let's say, Sana, let's check. 6, 6. Sorry, not 6, 6. 8, 6. 8, 6. How would you say?
Then it will be Kurs nach
Mhm.
is
There are many possibilities here. Pick up the easy possible option. 8, 6. If you are not able to say, then simply say es ist Kurs nach 6. Kurs nach 6. To make it more authentic, you can say es ist Kurs nach 5 nach 6. A few minutes after 5, 6. But right now, keep it easy and say es ist Kurs nach 6. It is few minutes after 6. A few minutes after 8. Es ist Kurs nach 8. Yeah. Okay, Ashwin, how do we say 6:17? Or let's say, how do we say 9:17? Sorry, 9:17.
Kurs nach viertel nach 9.
Noch einmal bitte. Kurs
Kurs nach viertel nach 9.
Einen Moment. Kurs nach viertel. उसके बाद Kurs nach viertel.
Nach.
Super. You have created your own version. Kurs nach viertel nach 9. Yeah, this could also be possible. But then don't you think, Ashwin, the easiest option is agar 6, I have given you the timing 9:17. So the next possible timing is 9:20, right? 9:20, you know, 20:04 or 20 nach 9. So you can say es ist, for 17, you can say es ist fast 20. Ein Moment, es ist fast. Where is, yeah, es ist fast 20. Why I'm not able to write it here? What? Es ist fast 20. 20 nach 9. Don't you think it's the easiest, like easier answer than what did you say?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is how it is. Once you know the rule, I think Samriddhi left. Yeah, I think. My God, she will land herself in confusion. Kein Problem. I do have to send her the recording. She will help with that. So 9:17 is 20 nach 9. Okay, Revati, if I have to say that it is, for example, 4 Zex. 4, 6. How do you say 4, 6? Think about it. Yeah.
Korsnak, fear.
Who's not fear,
Oh,
yeah? Okay.
Phone.
No, fear. Who's not fear? Right? So this was from 5-1 से लेकर 5 or the last 20 minutes. Now it will come. How do we say when there is only 25, like only 5 minutes are remaining? So normally, just imagine normally when if the timing is 7:25, how do we say that in English? Anybody? How do we say that in English?
Past. Have. Up.
No. How do we, like, for example, do we
Almost
say
10:30.
it is 25 minutes after 7 or do we say it is 5 minutes to 7:30? How do we say? This was my
Almost
question.
10:30.
5 minutes to 7:30. So similarly, German maybe you have to do the same. जब 5 minutes रह जाएंगे, so you need not to say 25 nach 7. We don't say 25 minutes after 7. We don't say it like that. We say it is 5 minutes to 7:30. Who can decode the answer? It is 5 minutes to 7:30.
Phone 4. Up. Hour.
Very good. Funes
4.
4 halb 8. Tune 4 halb 8. Very good. Okay. Now, Sana, this one's for you. If I say we have 8:55, how do we say this? We don't say that 50 minutes have or the 55 minutes after 8. We don't say that. We say 5 minutes to 9. So how do we say 5 minutes to 9?
Tune 4.
Tune 4. Very good. Tune 4.
9.
Very good. 9. Yeah. Now, Revati, tricky one for you. How do we say if the timing is 7:35? Yeah.
Phone, 4.
Tune 4. Are you sure?
No, phone nak
Uh-huh.
8.
Very good. Tunes nach halb 8. You guys are intelligent lot of students, I must say. Otherwise, normally, when I sit with this thing, people are like, ma'am, why is this thing? Why do we need to learn this? Cannot we just stick to the formal version? I said, no. I always say, no, we cannot stick to formal version because Germany mein, formal is something that's very limited use. But this informal thing is something that we have to use everywhere. So this was it is. So all the timings that you have in this particular clock, I think it's clear. Yeah. It is Funes nach halbeins. That means 5 minutes after 5 minutes after 12:30. Yeah, halbeins, that is 12:30. So 5 minutes after 12:30. Viertel 4:06. Same 4:06. Okay, just do one thing. Read all the clocks here once again and let me know if any clock here is not understood. Till, right? Even after discussing whatever we discussed, is there any clock, any time which is not understood or which is not yet clear? Then I'll make it clear again. I'll just go get myself a glass of water and then we can discuss it. If you have no confusion, then I'll give you some clocks and you have to tell me the timings in the informal. So, bitte.